The Parts.cat.com Help Center is at your disposal, making it easier than ever to shop online by offering one-on-one assistance that helps you find the right parts, place orders, and connect with local support. Let's start with the search functionality, designed to empower you to find the right solutions to your inquiries. Simply type in your question and discover a series of answers, related questions, landing pages, and knowledge articles. The Help Center also showcases FAQs, live chat, tutorial videos, a click-to-call function, and an easy-to-complete form for any unanswered questions. When filling out the form, select a category and type in a question that best describes your inquiry. As you do this, the navigation panel will change dynamically and provide existing knowledge articles that may help answer your question. If you prefer to engage with an agent instead, use the live chat feature to receive an immediate support response. Explore the latest collection of video tutorials that dive into various features available on Parts.cat.com, showing you how to get the most out of your online purchasing experience. The FAQs section automatically updates based on the most common searches made by other customers. Navigate through the most asked questions for a better self-service experience, designed for do-it-myself customers. The Help Center ensures customers have access to 24/7 support when shopping on Parts.cat.com, making CAT equipment easier to own and maintain. Visit the Help Center today to get started.